Hey folks, welcome back to Bob's Bottom Shelf. What we do here is show you how to make affordable cocktails using affordable ingredients, or what I like to call the top of the bottom shelf. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy cocktail, the Toasted Almond. So what makes the Toasted Almond quick and easy to make is that it uses only 3 ingredients: coffee liqueur, amaretto, and milk or cream. And since we're at the top of the bottom shelf here, we don't need to use any fancy Disaronno amaretto. We can just use a basic store brand amaretto here. For the coffee liqueur, we also saved a little bit of money, and I just made a homemade coffee liqueur using, well, brewed coffee, some vodka, and simple syrup. All right, so let's first get our shaker out here. We're gonna need 2 ounces of everything, so we'll use the 1 ounce side of the jigger here. Start with 2 ounces of amaretto. 1 and 2. Next we'll do 2 ounces of our homemade coffee liqueur here. 1. And last but not least, 2 ounces of milk or cream. In this case, I'm using this 2% milk. I can already smell that strong amaretto smell coming out here. All right, next we'll go ahead and add some ice. Get our lowball glass here. And then we'll go ahead and shake this up for about 10 or 15 seconds. Alright folks, here we go with our Toasted Almond. Yeah, it does have a very almond flavor, of course it does, with the amaretto. I would say the coffee liqueur adds the slightly toasted notes to it. Alright folks, so in review of our Toasted Almond here, we got 2 ounces of amaretto, 2 ounces of coffee liqueur, and 2 ounces of milk or cream. Well folks, that's gonna just about do it for today's episode. If you've ever made a toasted almond before, let me know what you think. Or if you happen to make one now, let me know what you think of it. See you in the next episode.